Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in today's video, we are here at Five Below, and I specifically came to buy something that I really wanted, but they didn't have it. So we continued shopping just because. I love to show you guys around and show you specifically items. Just because I'm not buying them doesn't mean that you won't. Now tomorrow is Tablescape Tuesdays, and I am really excited because we have two guests coming in tomorrow, and one of them is Grandma Sandy. Everybody knows Grandma Sandy, and her daughter Debbie, and her channel name is Blossom Your Creativity. They're going to be joining us tomorrow on Tablescape Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and their theme is Farmhouse Harvest. Now guys, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now make sure and click that subscribe button, and then click that notification bell twice so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Now, I'm just as excited for this collab as I am Tablescape Tuesdays. So we have holiday dishes from around the world. And this could be really a dish that you cook from your home place of birth, or it can be just something that you like to eat. It doesn't have to get complicated. It can be as easy as tacos. Guys, cook whatever it is that you like cooking in your home and that your family enjoys, and then just bring the video on to us. I would love to see your recipes, and make sure and invite a friend and tell them to join into the collab, because this makes it fun. Now, we normally wind up cooking for our families anyway. So what are their favorite dishes? I mean, from kids to adults, we have to eat anyway. So just bring it on, guys. Now, sometimes I forget to come to Five Below, but I'll tell you what. They have some beautiful Christmas items coming in the store. You can see a little bit of it in this video, but the guy told me they had a truck coming in tomorrow, and I cannot wait to see what they're bringing in. So I'm going to make it a point to stop in here before Friday. And yeah, I would love to show you what it is that they have. So, you know, I'll be here. Okay, so the idea of collabing is to grow. It's also to share what we have, and also to learn from what others have. So let's invite people to the collabs that we're doing, and let's just have some fun. And while we're doing it, we're growing. Now, don't forget that we have two collabs that I announced in this video, and I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.